Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of a tutorial how to make your own custom thumbnail. So in this video I'm going to be showing you. So you want to download picsart, it's not hard to find, and then you want to go to here, then you want to, that's my sister in the background if you can hear it.
Holy Jesus. Jesus is on the phone. Jesus is ringing.
Well, there's Jesus. Oh, there's my annoying sister, but whatever. Okay, so I made this thumbnail. It's pretty cool, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make that. So you can, I just took, you pretty much I want to do this fast because I have to go somewhere. Yeah, just add a YouTube thing, whatever. You just want to add stuff, like you can mess around with that,
Like
but
right now?
you can like put phones, whatever, images from you. You just go like this, put a phone image. You can mess with the effects and everything. I'm not going to make it perfect because I don't want it to be perfect. You could do like that, phone, apply, whatever, adjust your size and stuff. Text, like do hi you. You could adjust that right there, hi you. Then yeah, apply. You can add even like effects. There's like just the lighting of it. Like that one looks sick. And then you can mess with the brushes. Brushes are cool. You add like stars. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then all you do, you want to press at the top, at the arrow, there's an arrow, you save. And then press done. And then you're done. So if you did, like the video and subscribe for more tutorials or anything, gaming videos or anything. Sorry if I wasn't uploading for a while because I'm really busy. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed and I hope this helped you out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Boop. Oh, I gotta end it. Gotta end it right here. Stop. Oh, no. Nope.